My name is Carl Lorenzen. I'm the president of MJC Engineering. We are the only U.S. manufacturer of metal forming machines. Lightweight, high pressure, that is how hydrogen vehicles are powered today. Hydrogen applications worldwide are a growing market for us. For hydrogen cylinders, we take a piece of preform made out like a tube and we make it thinner and we make it longer. And that is part of the cylinder design for a lightweight composite cylinder that people use today. Then we make hot spinning machines, and those machines are typically used for high pressure cylinders. For the last 25 years, we've used a different controller for our machines, motion controller, and our Japanese customers were very interested in a domestic supplier from Japan, and we then started talking to FANUC and figured out their controller could handle our custom designed machines.
Metal forming, metal spinning, flow forming is a very unique technology because unlike subtractive machining, where it's very precise, metal forming is a process of human interaction to be able to manipulate the metal and then to take that human knowledge to make it a repeatable process for production.
FANUC controllers are the most used worldwide. Many lathes and mills are using FANUC controllers. Our application for metal forming machines is quite different. It's probably a little bit unusual.
MJC historically has used hydraulics in their CNC machines. They do need the capability of CNC to be able to manipulate the kinematics of the machine, to do all the positioning. They have a combination of electric motors, third-party spindle motors that they typically would use an analog interface to, and then also to do very dynamic and tight hydraulic control through their hydraulic servo valve. That is a very unique combination of challenges that they need a powerful CNC to be able to handle. So with the 31IB5, which is the FANUC 5-axis control that we're using in this particular case, there's a lot of standard features in that control, but there's also a lot of optional features that can fully customize how that 31IB5 interfaces with these metal spinning machines.
This is the first project that I've worked on where they're doing what's called flow forming, and they're shaping the product instead of removing material. As an application engineer, my job is to train their engineers and also help them implement the control system on their product. So it's one of those things to train as we go so that they can then continue the work themselves.
We have been pleasantly surprised with the support that we've gotten from FANUC, and their technical people have been here helping us many days to make sure that this works.
We also use a FANUC industrial PC for the front end. MJC uses their own proprietary pattern generation software, their SpinCAD. So this gives the operator a very unique and easy way to tap into the power of the CNC by using simple, intuitive paths.
I'm actually very impressed with the support that FANUC has given us to make this possible. Without that, we would have failed. Without these machines, can't make a composite high-pressure cylinder. The manufacturers worldwide are using our MJC equipment, and now we're happy to say that we have 2 machines going to Japan using a FANUC controller. We're very proud of that.